Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and if you're new, welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. I ordered TRMs. I'll just show you. Basically, they make these wall mounts so you can get your floor jacks off the floor. Basically, when they're storing them, they can get in the way. They take up floor space. They kind of can get annoying. And I saw this, and I have extra space in my garage next to my door coming in from the garage into my house, and I thought, what better thing to use than this to hold my floor jacks stands, I should say. Oh wow, okay. Oh, they're heavy, obviously. All right, so they're a little different than what I thought. They're not bad. Hold on, So it comes as a set of two. Alright, so it gives you the little letting you know that there's a free TMR sticker, which I love stickers, if everyone knows that. So solid steel construction, and it holds your mounts. Now the only thing is, which I didn't notice, I'll have to go check their website, but it doesn't come with hardware. So it comes with the mounting metal, but then they cheaped out and didn't give you the right size bolts or anything to mount them to your wall. So now I'm gonna have to go to a store just to get bolts for these, or see if I have some in the garage, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to go to the store to get bolts to mount this into my garage, which is kind of annoying because I didn't plan on having to go to the store. I thought it came with hardware. So one of my floor jacks, they're gonna go right here, take up that wall space. Alright guys, check it out. It is pouring rain out, so sorry for the background noise, but check it out. Holds these 2-ton jacks perfectly. I did have to squeeze these in a little bit when it was on the floor before mounting it. There's actually a wall stud backing behind this, so it was just easy to just drill it right into the 2x4s behind the drywall. But yeah, I found bolts with some washers. Works perfect. It's not going anywhere. I can probably hang on that. I'm not going to, but yeah, totally worth it.